Hey everybody, we're doing something a little different today, kind of a more relaxed unboxing. I'm just kind of sitting around and I was like, I really want to unbox this because I've been waiting for it for a while. And we're going to be unboxing our second Drape Fit box. If you watched my other one, I think it was in January, and it's supposed to be a monthly subscription, but they sent me an email and said they were having some issues in their warehouse. I don't know if they're just short-staffed or what the case may be, but they did communicate, so that's a good sign. And now it is April and I've got my box. So I hate that it took so long, but I absolutely loved my last box. So I'm really curious to see what is in this one. So yeah, it's just like most other subscription boxes. You have a styling fee and you pay for what you keep, you send back what you don't. And it's just kind of like everything else, really. Yeah, if you do sign up for it, just go into it knowing that they're dealing with those issues. But hopefully they'll be resolved soon. And yeah, my last box I was so excited about. So let's get into this one and see what we got. Okay. Again, it's packaged up all nice. And what I liked about Drape Fit is it is like Nadine West prices. I think I said this in my last video, but it's like Nadine West prices, but you get the whole Stitch Fix service. You get a note from your personal stylist, and it's brands that you are widely recognizable, and so anyway, so it's kind of that vibe. So you see, we get our little information thing here, and it has all of our items. It says, "Hello Candy, thank you for letting us prepare fit number 2 for you," and then it's got a list of all the things in here and the prices. And it says, okay, that you'll get this little form here, and this is your note from your stylist. It says, "I'm Paulette, your Drape Fit stylist. I choose mix and match colors, staple styles for your personalized fit box. I picked one paisley yellow boho top and one charcoal black hooded knit long sleeve straight crop top for your casual winter look." Winter? Okay. No, not winter. These all staples will be easy to pair with high-waisted straight leg crop pant for your fit box. For casual outing, I chose one beautiful green maxi dress. Oh, that sounds nice. Perfect for spring. To complete the look, I added one pearl bracelet for you. I hope you enjoy to try all the styles and love your fit box. Can't wait to hear from you. Please don't forget to share your fit photos in social media and tag us #DrapeFit Happy Styling XOXO Paulette. So I absolutely love that, and I loved the little just personal stylist kind of feel to it. So let's see what we got. Okay, the first thing is, oh my god, I love this. This is so pretty. Look at all the pretty colors in this. Oh my goodness. It's a little crop top, and I love this length of a crop top. It's not like way up here, it's a little further down towards your hemline, and it's just really loose fitting and like a really cooling fabric. And I love orange and yellow is my favorite 2 colors, so this has both of that. So alright, and then we've got this, oh, here's the crop top knitted. It's got a hood to it, little jacket, perfect for spring on those cooler mornings, because right now where I'm from, it's like 30 degrees in the morning, but it's getting up to like 80 in the afternoon. So yeah, you have to wear like sleeveless or short sleeves, but in the morning you need something like this, so I'm glad I got that. And oh, well, these are really nice. These are like almost, I guess you'd call it like a cream color slacks. They're by the brand High Five. Those are really comfy and cute looking. Oh, and I didn't say the brands of the other ones. Okay, this is Ambiance, and this is Melon. Alright, and then we got the dress. Oh, this dress is so pretty. Stand up so you can see it. Oh my gosh, it's kind of got the tiered look all the way down. It's got the spaghetti strap and the loose sleeve there. It's showing up really yellow on camera. Let me see if I can get a little closer if you can see the actual color. Okay, yeah, that's more like the actual color right there. It's like a lime green color. So it's really pretty. I really like green too. And here is our bracelet that we got. It's got rhinestones around it and pearls at the end. It may be too bright in here. My lighting is, there we go. And so it's really pretty. See the rhinestones there and the pearls on the ends there. All right, so let's go try all this on, and then we'll talk about prices and all that. Okay, here's the lime green dress. Perfect for spring. It's lined, so you don't have to worry about anything showing through. I've even got this black bra on, and like you can't see through it. So I like that it's lined. It's a really light fabric, which is perfect for the warmer months that are coming up. I absolutely love how the sleeves kind of drape over. So you've got this little tie here. So you could wear it open if you wanted to, show a little more, or you could tie it. But it fits really, really good. It's the perfect length. I really struggle with length on clothes because I'm 5'1", and so things tend to be too long for me. But this is perfect. So I absolutely love this. I love how light the fabric is. It's very soft too. I hate how yellow it looks on camera because it's very lime green for me. I don't know why it's turning out like that, but it's very pretty and lightweight. I absolutely love this one. Okay, so I'm going to try on the pants and the top and the little crop top jacket all together for the next outfit. Okay, here's the second outfit. Oh my goodness, I love everything in this box. What in the world? These pants are so comfortable. They're a higher rise, and they've got the metal clasp in it and the button over here and the zipper. They've got pockets. They are pleated on either side. They're the perfect length. I actually think I would wear these a lot. Like, the more tailored look is really coming back into style. So for like just when I'm wanting to rock that look, it's a definite, like, I need something like this. And this colorful top, I absolutely love. And this, okay, let me tell you about the jacket. The jacket is so comfortable. It's like buttery soft. And I love when sleeves come down a little further like that. That just gives me those comfy, cozy vibes. Like, I'll wear this around the house just because it makes me feel so comfy and cozy. So let's take this off so you can see the top a little better. Oh my goodness, this top is just 1000% my style. Like 1000% my style. It is the perfect crop top. It's got all these fun colors in it. It's got the more relaxed fit to it. I wouldn't wear it with these pants. I'll probably pair it with some denim. And they sent me some American Eagle denim in my last box, so I may pair it with that. I think it'd look really good with that. And some wedges. Oh my god. Like, you can even put this with like a jean skirt. There's so many things you can do with this top. You can have so much fun with it. Like, it's just a fun top. So this one's a definite keep because I absolutely love it. And the It's super adjustable, so if you have a bigger wrist, you don't have to worry with it with this one because it's very flexible. It's easy to get on and off, but you don't have to worry about it falling off either. Once it's on there, it's on there. And I actually have a really small wrist, and I usually have to take links out of all mine, but this fits really good. It stays on and it's not going everywhere. Usually all mine slide down to here unless I have the links taken out of them. So I really like that that fits well. So another winner. Oh my God, they sent us some really good stuff. I guess it was worth the wait because, oh my gosh, I really love everything. So I'm going to change back into what I was into, and then we'll talk about prices. Okay, so the bracelet is $19.99. The long sleeve hooded zip up crop top is $25, not bad. The paisley patchwork blouse is $28.75. Like that one I'm keeping for sure. I love it. The high-waisted straight leg crop pants are $28.99. That's an excellent price for those. And the Indigo Rose, oh, I didn't say the brand for it. It's Indigo Rose. The Indigo Rose tiered maxi dress is $25.99 for a dress. That's a great price. And the good thing about them is, like in my instance, if you want to keep everything in your box, they give you 25% off. So if you purchase, it says purchase all discount, you'll receive 25% discount when you purchase all the products. So absolutely everything in my box would come to a total of $105.68, which is not bad. You'd be getting a pair of pants, a top, a jacket, a dress, and a bracelet. I cannot tell you how many times I went into a store and bought 5 items in a clothing store, and it been $200. So I absolutely love that. And in my last video, I had something that didn't fit right, and I was like, oh, I wish they had an exchange like you do with Stitch Fix. You can exchange for a different size. They do. So when I was checking out, I noticed that you can choose, you select whether you're sending it back, you're keeping it, or you're exchanging it. So you can exchange things that don't fit right if you need a size bigger or a size smaller. So that is an option. I mentioned in my last video I wasn't sure. They do. So I love that too. So, but everything fit me absolutely perfect this time, and I'm really excited to incorporate it all in my closet. So let me know what you thought about this unboxing. Do you get Drape Fit? Have you thought about giving Drape Fit a try? I've really enjoyed my boxes. I've gotten 2 so far. I'll be really glad when they start coming monthly like they're supposed to. That's what I'm really looking forward to because I do thoroughly enjoy getting them. Also, how do you like this more relaxed, chill, sit down with me and try on some clothes type of environment? Do you like this, or do you prefer the more, you know, plain background try on and all that? So yeah, leave me some constructive criticism in the comments about that, because I'm kind of toying around with the idea of doing more relaxed unboxings and try-ons. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. If you do not mind, like and subscribe. I do a ton of unboxings and try-ons and hauls and all that over here. And yeah, if you do not mind, leave me some love in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.